Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you watched any of my previous videos, you might already know that I installed a leaked version of Windows 11 on my PC. Since there is an official build available, I wanted to reinstall Windows 10 and then upgrade from there. As you can see, I have C drive and D drive. C drive is only meant for the OS and the core Windows files, while this D drive is to store all my data. This is proven to be the safest method to use Windows. If there is an issue with your OS, your data in D drive is untouched. There are many reasons to have your C drive partitioned. I'll make a video on that in the future, so please subscribe so that you don't miss it. I have the Windows 10 ISO file on my D drive. The file is a disk image file, and as you can see, I downloaded it in 2017. And it's not the latest version of Windows. And you will soon realize that it's not important to have the latest ISO file. If you have an old copy lying around, just use it and don't bother to download a new one. Now, just double click on the ISO file and let it mount as a virtual disk. You can see the new drive on this PC. Now you can just double click on the virtual disk, let it do its thing. The installer realized that the ISO file is not the latest version. I'll just select not right now. Now click accept. And choose what to keep. You can keep your personal files or personal files and settings, or just do a clean install. Since I'm downgrading Windows, I need to do a clean install. Now click install. It takes a lot of time. Thanks to my wonderful editing skills, you don't have to wait till it's complete. Now we are greeted with Windows 10 UBI setup. Let me speed it up for you. Windows is ready. First thing I want to do is show that all my files are safe in my D drive. As you can see, the free space and the drive capacity is still the same. Windows version is pretty old and we will fix it very soon. Before I upgrade Windows, I want to make sure this OS is licensed. I'll go to Settings, under Update and Security, and under Activation, let me click Activate. Great, it's now fixed. Now let's upgrade Windows to the latest version, that is 21H1. If you have a ton of patience, you can head to Windows Update and Settings and upgrade from there. Since I'm a lazy guy, I'll go ahead and install Windows Update Assistant and run the tool. I'll leave a link to that app in the description. Okay, it downloaded and installed the updates. I want Microsoft to track me down, so I turned off all the settings. And that's it, Windows 10 is ready for me to use. Let me show you the Windows version. It is 21H1 and Windows doesn't have any activation issues. I'll install all my programs with just a single line of code in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for a notification. That's it guys, please like my video if you like it and please share it with your friends if you love it. And please don't forget to subscribe for more such amazing videos in the future. Bye!